Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how you can use less data on Instagram. First, we'll quickly check if Instagram is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and find Instagram. If there is an update button, press it and wait for Instagram to update. After that, open Instagram. Click on the profile in the lower right corner. After that, click on the three lines in the upper right corner. In the options that are offered, click Settings. The next step is to click on the Account menu. A large number of options will open here. The one we need is Data Usage. It is at the bottom of the list. We click. We have two options here. Use less cellular data, which will help us to reduce our data consumption, and others that we can use when uploading the highest possible video quality. We select the first one by clicking on the switch. This will not reduce the quality of the content that is shown to us, but it will take more time to be seen. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.